The Friendly Monster. Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a monster named Max. Max was not like other monsters. He was friendly and loved to play with children. But the villagers were afraid of him because he looked big and scary. One day, while Max was playing in the forest, he heard children laughing. He peeked through the trees and saw a group of kids playing hide and seek. Max wanted to join them, but he was scared they would run away if they saw him. Gathering his courage, Max decided to step out from the trees. "Hello, I'm Max," he called out with a big smile. The children were surprised and frightened at first. They had never seen a monster before. "Go away, scary monster," one child shouted. Max felt sad. "I'm not scary, I just want to play," he said softly. Then a brave little girl named Lucy stepped forward. "What games do you like to play, Max?" she asked, looking at him curiously. "I love to play tag," Max replied, his eyes sparkling with joy. "Okay, let's play," Lucy said, smiling. She turned to her friends and said, "Let's give him a chance." So they started to play tag. To everyone's surprise, Max was very fast. He chased the kids around the trees, and they all laughed and shouted with joy. After a while, the villagers saw the children play with Max. They were amazed. The monster is not scary at all. One villager said, "He's just having fun." From that day on, Max became the village's friend. The children played with him every day, and soon the villagers learned that he was not a monster to be feared, but a friendly creature who just wanted to have fun. Max was happy, and the village was filled with laughter and joy. And every year they celebrated Max Day to remember the day they made a new friend. Vocabulary: monster, monstruo, friendly, amigable, village, pueblo, children, niños, play, jugar, brave, valiente, surprised, sorprendido.